Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I always want to make sure that I serve my family clean fruits and vegetables. This awesome fruit and veggie scrub brush from Full Circle has allowed me to do that. I really like the design of this cleaning brush. It is a nice circular handle made out of bamboo, which allows me to have a really nice grip. So even when I'm cleaning those extra dirty potatoes, I'm able to even use a little bit of elbow grease with a nice firm grip. The bristles are made out of recycled plastic and plant fibers, and they really provide a nice, good scrub, but don't damage any of my fruits and vegetables either. My favorite way to use these is on more root vegetables, so like potatoes and carrots, but it's also great to be used on apples or peppers or really anything that you need to clean. Full disclosure, this is my second Full Circle vegetable cleaning brush. The first one I used until I couldn't use it anymore, and when it was time to replace it, I definitely went right back to the same one because I loved it so much. The design is really nice. It's small and compact and fits perfectly on my little sink caddy and dries out really nicely. I like that it's nice, clean, and simple, and it gets the job done. So if you're looking for a good quality fruit and vegetable scrubber, I would definitely check this one out from Full Circle. I've been extremely happy with it, but that's just my point of view.